Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to fix the camera focus issues on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro. First, get yourself a microfiber cloth such as this one, or any cloth to clean the camera lenses. Turn your phone upside down and clean the camera lenses. This is not a camera lens, so you don't need to clean it, but the rest need to be cleaned. Try to remove fingerprints, dust, and pocket lint, and check both rear cameras and the front camera. Even a fingerprint can confuse the autofocus. Apart from that, if you have a case that's covering the lenses or is very big, or if it covers the screen, remove it. Remove the case, lens protector, and screen protectors, as some accessories can interfere with focusing. Test it with the phone case and check whether the protector is scratched or cloudy. Remove the screen protector or case that is covering the front part of your phone. Instead of relying on automatic detection, tap your screen to focus. Open your camera app, point to the subject, tap the area you want sharp, and wait for focus to lock before taking the photo. This is especially useful for close-ups and low-light scenes. You need to increase the distance for close subjects since every camera has a minimum focusing distance. If an object is too close, move the phone further away, use zoom or crop later, and switch to macro mode. Macro mode is here. Another tip is to improve the lighting, as autofocus performs best with sufficient light. Try moving near a window, turning on room lights, or using night mode in a dark environment, since low light can cause focus hunting. Restart the camera app by swiping up to close it, or hold your finger on the camera app, tap the info icon, and force stop it. Then open it back again and everything should work fine, as temporary software glitches can affect focus. Clear the camera app storage to resolve corrupted settings by holding your finger on the camera app, tapping Info, then Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. If the problem persists, you can also clear storage. Update the phone software by opening Settings, scrolling down to System Update, and tapping Check for updates, as camera improvements are often delivered through updates. That should be it. Have a nice day and goodbye.